why we know the situation. MashaAllah, brothers and sisters, excellent, 10 out of 10, MashaAllah. It's the Ummah, right? What does Ummah mean? Ummah as in the Muslim nations, MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
We learn from our teaching in Hadith that the Ummah of ours is like one body. Wherever it feels pain, the whole body should feel that pain. So when our brothers and sisters are suffering in Palestine or other places, we should have that concern and feel for them. Similarly, when we have a headache, the whole body needs to rest, isn't it? Similarly, we should have that concern. Beautiful. Love for you. You want to translate that, inshallah? That's beautiful, mashallah. As the Ummah, we learn that we should love for our brothers what we love for ourselves. As we hear that many of our brothers and sisters are suffering, so for this reason we should have that concern. Very well informed, mashallah. I reward you for that. For this reason, we had to do something because of the suffering. So we launched this campaign for Kids. Now this is the third year we're doing this. Alhamdulillah, aiming to get 50,000 children to take part. I want to show you a quick video. It's a few minutes long. It shows from the last year's Kids for Kids, and it showed the difference that it made. So please pay attention to the video. If I could request the lights.
In Somalia, a prolonged period of failed rains led to the worst drought witnessed in the region for 60 years. Children and their families fled to Kenya, Ethiopia, and to the country's capital, Mogadishu, escaping the drought that had devastated the countryside. Children have suffered greatly, migrating hundreds of miles in search of help.